Hi, this is how Creator Insights helps you find viral videos and grow your content. So the first section is Trends, which is completely free. So here you select country. If you are from a different country, you can request the country, and there is a range here, and then it fetches trends from YouTube search trends, Google search, X, Reddit, and news. And there is also AI picks, which combines all trends and shows them in one feed based on demand. You can also categorize it based on the category that you are looking for. Then is Analyze Profile. Here it supports 4 platforms: YouTube, Insta, TikTok, and X. So let's go with Instagram. You can enter any profile handle here, and it takes a couple of seconds to get you detailed metrics. So this is how the metrics look. You'll be able to see their overall views. Hooks analysis. So here you click on this, it fetches the top 10 videos, and if you click on this proceed analysis, it will go to the AI board. And this is how that looks. So in the AI board, it fetches the top 10 videos, or you can add any videos which you like, and from here you can add, and you can also enter any handle name. And again, it fetches, let's say I add Mr. Beast as a handle, and this is from YouTube. It takes a couple of seconds, it fetches the top 10 or 20 videos, and you can create a group and you can connect to this chatbot. Here you can basically chat with this and brainstorm content ideas based on the top viral content of this handle. So you can ask to get content ideas, content scripts, content hooks, all the best performing ones. You can do it from here. So that is hooks and script analysis. And this is reach for solo versus collab, performance metrics of a solo post. So all the top viral and below average performance posts you'll be able to see from here. Collaboration posts, you can again see them from here. Pricing calculator, AI insights, trending posts, creator collaboration performance, everything. And also similar creators you'll be able to see from here. Then is competitor search. You can enter any niche, for example, let me enter tech, and you can enter any location as well. There are advanced filters. If you hit enter, it will take a couple of seconds to find relevant creators that fall into this domain. So once done, you will be able to add these creators into a competitor's list. So you can click on this to open their profile, and you can click on this view analytics to get the detailed analytics. If you want to track this creator, you can just select this checkbox. You can add to tracking. So it takes a couple of seconds again to track and add them to the list. Once done, you'll be able to see all their competitor posts from here. So all the added competitor posts will be here. So if you just refresh it, you'll be able to see whoever competitors you added. Everything will be visible from here, and it updates every 24 hours, and you'll be able to manage. You can either remove it, pause it, or add new handles from here. And again, this supports multiple platforms: Insta, YouTube, TikTok, and X. Then it creates a script, which I already showed. So here you open a workspace and enter any YouTube or Insta video link, add any handles to this, and any doc to follow the instructions, images as well, and just connect to this AI bot. So you just have to connect from here to here, and then you can chat with these videos. Then it's templates. So here there are ready-made templates. You can just enter your competitor analysis. So it will again go to the same canvas board, and everything will be done for you by this template. Saved script, whatever script that you generate from the canvas board, everything will be saved here, and content calendar is whatever script. If you want to save this script and schedule it for a specific date, you'll be able to schedule it from here. So that's all about Creator Insights Creator Tools. Thanks.